The official spare parts now listed on a website that deals in spare parts have revealed the Galaxy S25 Ultra's color options. This update comes just days after similar listings for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appeared on the same site. The parts in question are SIM card trays for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which are available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. These colors align with earlier rumors. While there have also been reports about potential online exclusive shades, those aren't reflected in these listings. The rumored online exclusive options available only through Samsung's official store are said to include titanium jade green and titanium pink gold. However, these claims remain unsupported by solid proof. Final confirmation on these colors will likely arrive during the Galaxy S25 series official unveiling. Some color options are expected to be limited to specific markets, continuing a pattern seen with previous Galaxy flagships. To find out which colors will be available in your region, you'll need to check Samsung's website once pre-orders or sales for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra begin. Also recently, the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup has been making its way through certification agencies worldwide, with its latest stop being the FCC. While the listing doesn't reveal much, it does confirm a few noteworthy details. For instance, the documents confirm that the standard Galaxy S25 will lack the USB feature, which will only be included in the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus models. Furthermore, the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will support 45-watt charging, while the S25 continues with 25-watt charging for yet another year. Interestingly, the listing also indicates that the S25 will feature slower wireless charging, capped at 9 watt compared to the 15-watt standard we've seen in recent years. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be tremendously powerful, largely due to the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This processor delivers true laptop-level performance, but the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 can raise the bar even further. According to leaker digital chat station via Notebook Check, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to be at least 20% more powerful than its predecessor while maintaining impressive energy efficiency. Though we can't confirm which devices will feature this chipset yet, it's almost certain that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and likely the rest of the Galaxy S26 series in some regions will utilize it. Beyond Samsung, many other flagship Android smartphones slated for 2026 are also likely to adopt this chipset. However, this enhanced performance may come at a cost. Leaker Jukin Losreeve suggests that Qualcomm plans to significantly increase the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, mirroring this year's price hike for the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite. If these reports are accurate, consumers could face at least 2 consecutive years of smartphone price increases, starting with the Galaxy S25 and extending to the Galaxy S26 and other high-end devices. The first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite already raised manufacturing costs for phone makers, potentially contributing to higher retail prices for flagship models. If the trend continues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, it could make next-generation devices more expensive. While these leaks paint a picture of both exciting advancements and potential cost implications, it's worth remembering that this information is still preliminary. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is almost a year away from release, leaving ample time for plans to shift. For now, these details should be taken with a pinch of salt as we await further updates. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.